How to use Zapier with Asana. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Zapier with Asana. So let's get into it. So what you want to do is you want to come over here onto Asana, or what you can do is you can go over here onto Zapier and start with a Zap. So to do that, just simply click on Zap or click on Create. This will help you create a Zap, and click on Zaps right here. And over here, you can add what X happens, do Y, then do Z. So this is like the AI. You can, skip it if you want to, but for now, we're going to select a trigger. So trigger could be anything. So first, we'll select Asana. Here we go. Now we are going to select the trigger as to what event happened. So when a new attachment is added to a task, or a new comment on a task, or a new project, a new story, or a new task, there's going to be an instant. Let's say a new task has been completed, right? We click over here, and now we just simply click on continue, and we need to connect the Asana account. So we click on sign in, allow the permissions. Here we go. Our account is now connected. Our trigger is set. We can choose the workspace as well. We have our own workspace. And after setting up the triggers and the projects, we're going to test it. Click on test, see if everything is working. No tasks were found. Let me go ahead and come over here. And over here, we are going to complete this task. And now we are going to test the trigger. This should work now. And here we go. So as you can see, it works. We are now good to go. We'll just simply click on continue with the selected records. Now we want to select, what do we do now? Can we send a message, or on a Slack, or on Google, send email, whatever it is you want, you can go ahead and do that. So let's say we want Gmail, we'll send different emails to that person. We'll select email, and over here we'll say send email. Click on continue, choose the account, choose the action. Task has been completed. So we're going to be using Slack because the Gmail was not working. So once we select Slack and fill out all of these fields, we click on continue. Now we have the test. Now we just simply click on test or skip test, and once that's done, you are good to go. Then whenever someone completes a task, or marks the task as completed, a direct message will be sent to a group, or yourself, or an individual on Slack, notifying them that the task has been completed. So that is it. That is how you use Zapier with Asana. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.